Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can download and install the Plotly library for your Python and Visual Studio's code. So if you don't know about the Plotly library, then it is a free and open source interactive gaming library for Python that allows you to create publications and quality graphics along with dashboards and graphs. It includes various chart types like line, plot, scatter plots, and bar charts as well as 3D graphs. So let's see how to install this library. So in order to install this library, you need to head on to the terminal of your Visual Studio's code and type in the following command, which is pip install plotly. Once you have typed in, simply hit the enter button and wait for the initialization process to begin. Since we have used the pip module, it will take some time. The first thing it's gonna do is that it will download and collect the packages, and once that has been done, it will try to install the package into our system. So let's wait for the same. And here you can see that after the successful installation, you will receive a message like this in your terminal which says successfully installed Plotly version 6.0.1. So here you can see that since the version has been installed, why not to verify it if it has really been installed into a system or not. So in order to verify the installation, you need to type in the following command, which is pip show plotly. Once you have typed in, simply hit the enter button, and here you can see that it has retrieved me with a variety of information which includes the version number as well as the location of this particular library. So that's how we can verify that the library has been installed into our system. So that's it for this video. I will see you in the next one. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well, comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.